Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update firmware of your DJI Air 2S. So to do this you have to be connected with this DJI Fly application, and also we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And we got two methods. So the first one, when you go for the main screen of the DJI Fly application, you can find information about the new firmware. But when you click right here to go fly and click on the three dots in the right upper corner, you can go also for about and check for the aircraft update. So we can update firmware of our DJI Air 2S and also all this data about the fly safe. But let's only update our aircraft. So let's click right here to install. We can click to get more information. It's right now downloading, so we have to just wait, and do not turn off your controller or drone, just wait. Okay, and as you can see, to perform this update, we have to go about the 20% of the battery, and the update will take around 8 minutes to complete. So all I have to do right now is just to click this install button, and now just wait for all of these basic informations. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.